This is a year that's filled with high energy, futuristic maneuvers being adapted using AI-assisted interfaces, growing data into income streams, and people successfully working from laptops, smartphones in stylish, modern settings. Hello, future millionaires, and welcome back. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to making money online that feel like they are straight out of a science fiction movie? Forget the old, slow methods. Today, we're diving into the future, exploring how you can use artificial intelligence to automate your income streams and build a digital empire from the comfort of your home. We're talking about tangible, effective strategies that are set to explode from 2026 onwards. If you've ever felt like you're one step behind the next big thing, this is your moment to get ahead. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a roadmap to earning thousands of dollars using AI tools that are available right now. This isn't just theory. It's your new reality. Let's power up our systems and get started. Let's jump right into our first untapped 2026 futuristic way of making money online that I will refer to as AI-generated video game assets. Think about it, the gaming industry is a colossal market, worth over $200 billion and growing every single day. What if I told you that you could carve out a piece of that pie without being a professional game developer or spending years learning complex 3D modeling software? That's the power of AI. Imagine this. You type a simple text prompt like a futuristic warrior with glowing blue armor or an enchanted forest with floating islands, and an AI tool generates a high-quality game-ready 3D model or an entire breathtaking environment in minutes. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now with tools like Leonardo AI, Runway ML, and Meshi. These platforms are designed to turn your ideas into digital assets that game developers are desperate for. Developers are constantly searching for unique characters, weapons, props, and landscapes to bring their games to life. By using AI, you can become their go-to supplier. So how do you turn these creations into cash? It's simpler than you think. First, you use these AI tools to generate a portfolio of stunning game assets. Don't just create random items. Find the niche. For example, you could specialize in fantasy assets like magical swords and dragon characters, or maybe science fiction assets like sleek spaceships and alien planets. Nailing down a niche makes you an expert and attracts specific buyers. Once you have a collection of assets, you'll sell them on major game asset marketplaces. Platforms like the Unity Asset Store, Unreal Engine Marketplace, and Trader are bustling online markets where millions of developers shop for assets every day. You simply upload your AI-generated models, set your price, and let the platform handle the sales. Every time a developer buys your asset, you get paid. You can also license your creations directly to game studios. Imagine a new indie game featuring a main character that your AI designed. They'll pay you a handsome fee for the rights to use your unique designs. This is a powerful way to generate passive income, earning money while you sleep as developers around the world purchase your digital creations. Now, let's move on to our second game-changing method, AI-powered local business automation. Look around your town. How many local businesses do you see? Dentists, salons, restaurants, mechanics, real estate agents, they're all experts in their fields, but many are struggling to keep up with the digital world. They're overwhelmed by customer emails, appointment scheduling, and online marketing. This is where you come in as their AI-powered hero. You can offer them a service that saves them time, reduces their stress, and makes them more money, and they will gladly pay you a premium for it. Your first offer can be AI-powered customer support. Using tools like ChatGPT or ManyChat, you can build and install a smart chatbot on a business's website or social media pages. This chatbot can answer frequently asked questions 24 hours in every day, 7 days week after week, qualify any given leads, and handle customer inquiries instantly, freeing up the business owner and their staff to focus on what they do best. Imagine a local restaurant's chatbot taking reservations and answering questions about the menu, even in the middle of the night. That's a huge value add. Next, you can automate their appointment booking. For service-based businesses like hair salons or dental clinics, managing appointments can be a full-time job. With tools like Calendly AI integrated with Zapier, you can set up a fully automated scheduling system. The AI can handle bookings, send reminders to clients, and even manage cancellations and rescheduling, all without any human intervention. This drastically reduces no-shows and keeps their schedule packed. Finally, you can supercharge their marketing with AI. Many small businesses don't have the time or expertise to run effective online ad campaigns. You can use AI tools to generate compelling ad copy, create eye-catching visuals, and even manage and optimize their Facebook and Google ad campaigns. The AI can analyze data to target the perfect audience, ensuring the business gets the highest possible return on their investment. The best part about this business model is the recurring revenue. You don't just set it up once and leave. You charge a monthly subscription fee for managing and maintaining these AI systems. As long as your AI solutions are saving the business time and making them money, they will happily continue to pay you month after month. This creates a stable, predictable income stream for you. We've just scratched the surface of two incredibly powerful ways to leverage AI for profit. From creating digital assets for the booming gaming world to becoming an indispensable automation expert for local businesses, the opportunities are massive. AI is revolutionizing how money is made, and you are officially in the front row, ready to take advantage of this shift. The future isn't just coming. It's here, and it's full of potential for those who are willing to act. So I have to ask, which of these methods sparked an idea for you? Are you more excited about designing futuristic game characters or about helping a local business thrive with automation? Drop a comment below and let me know which path you're thinking of trying first. I read every single comment and I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you found this information valuable and you're ready to learn even more AI money-making secrets, do me a huge favor and hit that like button right now. It tells YouTube that this content is helpful and helps us reach more people just like you. And of course, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on the next video, where we'll dive even deeper into futuristic income streams. Remember, seeing results requires more than just watching. It requires taking action. Don't let hesitation or overthinking hold you back from earning thousands of dollars. Money loves speed. The tools are out there, and the knowledge is right here. Check out the links in the description below where I've put together some resources to help you get started today. Our goal in this community is for all of us to grow and succeed together. Share this video with anyone you know who is ready to level up their financial future. Thank you for watching up to this very moment, and I'll see you shortly in the next segment of this video.